Well, hello lovely people. I have something very special about to happen to our lovely Mildred. I've never asked for an accessory, not that I know of. Steve's the one that's the accessory guy, putting inverters and solar panels and whatnot. But there is one thing that I have always wanted, and that is a diesel heater. Anyway, Steve finally said to me, go get a price, try and see if you can find someone. Anyway, I found a guy called Dr. Diesel. I'm sure it's a legit business. Anyway, it's up at Toronto, near Newcastle in New South Wales, and I'm going to take beautiful Mildred up and we're going to get a diesel heater installed. I just want to share with you where we're going to put it, and I can show you a before and after. Anyway, let me show you where we're going to put it. Okay, so this is our dinette. Steve's taken the table out. We normally put our shoes on that little rack there. Anyway, under this drawer is so much storage, so I'll just take that little lid off, and we're going to put the diesel heater in there. Then the vents can come out, or one vent can come out there to blow the warm air. If he needs to reduce that drawer, we can. And then we're going to put the tank, the diesel tank, on the back of Mildred. So I just wanted to show you beforehand, and then once it's done I can show you the finished job. I am so excited. This is going to be awesome. Okay, the moment of truth. Steve's going to have a look at little handiwork that we've got done here. Underneath, the table's back in, which I should have videoed this before. And there it is, under there. It's pretty neat and tidy. And there's only one outlet for the heat. And the back of that unit on the left side is drawing from the space behind it and around in that drawer. So that's pretty good. And the tank up the outside's pretty neat. Oh, the controller. We've also got a remote control, and you can use your phone, an app on your phone, to turn it on and off. Adjust the temperature.
We'll tidy that cord up eventually. Yeah,
maybe somehow hide the black.
So just in on under the caravan. That's where it comes out. That's the air filter. And that's the exhaust. He's done it over there so it doesn't come out on the side our awning's on. I might just see if I can get that up a bit higher. And then the fuel lines and the power lines go out the back, which is nice and neat, which is good.
Okay, so now the back of the caravan, this is the tank, just wedged in there. It's got a gauge to tell you how much. Diesel's in there, and also there's a lock for the cap, which is awesome. No one can tamper with it, and it doesn't hang any lower than the caravan, so that's very good for four-wheel driving. What do you think, Steve?
That's pretty good.
And we did actually give it a go, and we're going to be lovely and toasty warm for winter.
Bloody hot.
There you go. Anyway, I think it's a great addition to our caravan. So there you have it. We have a diesel heater. Woohoo! So if you live in the Newcastle or Sydney area, maybe give Craig from Dr. Diesel a call and tell him what you have, and he'll give you a good price. I'm so happy. Bring on the cooler months. Anyway, that's it for this video, just a short one. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you when we get away again. But make sure you're watching. Bye.